Okay, so can an individual, any given individual, come into existence in numerous ways? Well, that's the question. I believe that that is the way life is. I don't have any proof today, other than it's just all theoretical. So what is that saying, basically? Well, we have to ask a series of questions, and it goes back into my other statements and theories in regards to soulmates. Is it a defined system where for every man there is a woman? For every man there is a woman. And this is for everyone. Like, say that that's the design. That's the way life is designed. Male, female, or woman. Okay. Let's talk about the offspring to use as an example. So the offspring of, let's just say that this is a given soulmate pair. Soulmates. Say they have a child. Let's just make her a daughter, for the sake of argument. Jesus. Oh, God. There's the daughter. Okay. So, in a given life, a soulmate pair, they're must be living a nice life because they got together and they have a child. Some lives they may not see each other, the soulmate pair. So, anyways, now they can have any given number of children based on what it is. So in one life, they may have that daughter. Now this same soulmate pair in another life may have, again, any other given variety of children. They can have any, obviously in the same life, but you get the gist of what I'm saying. So now this daughter in question here, this woman, could this daughter come into existence? Well, the question is, are there other soulmate pairs? Okay, we'll call this soulmate pair A, and say there's a soulmate pair B. This is my question, can another soulmate pair produce that same, we're just going to call this child, just put a 1, number 1. Can that produce 1? Can 1 come from that? I don't know. Now the question is, say there are non-soulmate pairs. Okay, a non-soulmate. They get together and they have a child. Boom. Can this individual come here to a non-soulmate pair? What kind of world would you be living in where that could be? Another thing, we got a test tube here. Stuff goes in it. You shake it up. Can you produce? Oh, it looks like a mushroom, right? Now, can you produce that same one again in that environment? So any given number of ways. Now, what if there's something like that movie, The Matrix? See, some people would find that horrible, like, oh my God, that's horrible. But what if it's just part of life, that there is so many different facets of life and ways that, I'm not saying there is The Matrix, I don't know, it's a big question mark on that. Like how they show people being born into some machine type apparatus. I mean, you could say that's similar to a test tube, but I'm just saying to cover all the odds. And so the point is, you could have possibly, if this is true, you could have any given variety of people producing this given 1. So this 1 could come into existence, this is my theory, from any number of ways. And I guess that's why I have to stop today, because I don't have any more input or thoughts or focus on it. Obviously, it's about science and about what is possible through genetic combinations, as they would call it. So this is where I'm at today, and I mean, I'm just looking for, I'm this guy. Okay, let's put all this away. Hold on. Let me erase this all, except for Let's have we're going to leave this like clouded because you saw it. You know, look, I partially erased it, but I didn't erase it. Why? Because it's symbolic. Because I have like the remembrance of all of this from before. But you know what? Today, all that I am is this guy right here. I'm a man. I'm a lone man. I'm a lone man, and I'm looking for my soulmate. Okay? I'm looking for my soulmate. I don't want just any other random woman. You know, I want my soulmate. If that, you know, if that is hard for anyone to grasp, well, I don't know what to say any more simpler than I'm looking for my soulmate. Where is she? Where is she? Where is she? Any clues would be very appreciated. Thanks for taking the time to listen to this today. Appreciate it.